Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will be making Flourless breakfast cookies. Everyone is waiting, guys, so let's get started. The ingredients for my Flourless breakfast cookies are 1 cup organic coconut palm sugar, 1 cup peanut butter or sunflower seed butter, 2 large eggs, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup oats, half cup dark chocolate chip, half cup raisin dried cherries or cranberries, half cup chopped walnuts. Preheat your oven to 350. I will stir in my sugar. My sunflower, blend. I will now stir in the remaining ingredients. Some vanilla, tasty. I will now drop 1/4 cupfuls onto my cookie sheet. Now I will flatten just a little. So here we go, guys, straight to the oven. Place on the middle rack. Bake for 11 to 13 minutes or until edges are golden brown. So here we are, guys, beautifully done. I will allow to cool for 5 minutes before moving to the cooling rack. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Please let me know by leaving me a comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.